Season 2. Ember of the Frozen Flame brings a brutal winter to Top Heroes. Survive deadly blizzards with new seasonal buildings and resources or freeze trying. Take down frostbitten enemies and seasonal bosses to earn powerful, exclusive rewards. Climb the ranks in the new competitive system and prove you're the strongest lord out there. Explore the new adventure map, where your temperature affects how much damage you deal. Melt snow-covered ruins to rescue villagers, free animals, and uncover hidden treasures for you and your guild. There's a ton to uncover this season, and we're here to guide you through it all.